from Best Channel Ever, Super Spider Wing. And today, I'm actually not sure what we're doing.
Watching a space shuttle be launched from...
We're watching a spaceship.
Oh, right there, right behind him. Look.
It's right over there. Look.
See the red thing going up?
It's that red thing right there, guys.
Check that out, Landon.
What do you think?
It's kind of cool.
Kind of cool?
Just a red light going up.
It's a spaceship. Where's it launching to?
Moon or something? I don't know.
It's going to go around
Jupiter?
Earth. Going around Earth. It's
Okay.
going to get bigger and brighter in a minute. Just keep watching it.
Okay.
As soon as it gets up high enough, it's real bright.
Where'd it go?
It's going to get bright again.
Where'd it go?
It just disappeared. See that line though? It's going to get real bright above it. We'll see.
I see
There
it.
it is again.
There it is, guys. It's right there. I'm not sure if I'm going at the right place for you.
There it
But
goes.
for me, it's right above my
Check
finger.
that out.
Oh, look at it.
Whoa!
Told you.
That is awesome looking.
And that's another rocket coming back down to Earth. That one on the, that's separated.
That dot, I think the
Yep.
blinking dot.
Well, not blinking.
It looks like it's
The
flashing.
separate big old white dot. Yeah.
Oh, wow, Landon.
Oh, I was looking at a different thing.
Actually driving down the freeway, seen that all of a sudden?
That is so cool.
Pretty awesome, huh, Landon?
That is so cool.
Oh, look at that one on the right, though.
The one coming back.
Look at it.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's looking so cool. Now it kind of looks like it's actually like an alien ship, and that's like one of those things that
Yeah.
shoots down to the world or like steal stuff.
Yeah, it's already separated, yeah.
Just saying, look, guys, that was, if you heard a random voice, that was someone down there directly on like the, well, went down one of the staircases. This is so cool.
It's awesome.
Well, this is better than I thought it would be.
I thought it would just be like a tiny little picture of a rocket ship just going up.
No.
That's it. No, I thought it would be way cooler than I thought. It's even like, looks like it's shooting like a flashlight too, sort of.
It's so
Like
bright.
A super high flashlight shooting into space or something.
See the one on the right? Have you watching the one on the right too? It's pretty awesome.
Uh-huh.
Now that one's going to guide itself back to where it came from.
Hey guys, let me know in the comment below, by the way, which rocket ship is cool, looks cooler, the one going up or the
don't know
one
which
coming
one,
down. But the one coming down.
I keep losing focus. It sucks.
Come on, tilt over there just a little bit.
It's right there. It's not far.
Oh, you can't see the one coming
Nope.
down, but you can see the one coming up. I'm pretty sure you should have been able to see it before, see the one coming down. So let me know which one you thought was cooler in the comments below.
No sonic boom for us. We're too far from it. Oh, look down. Oh, Landon, no. Look down. Look where it came from.
I see that over
Yeah, that's the one flying back down.
Wish you could see all the colors in the phone.
What's that?
Wish you could see all the colors in the phone.
Yeah.
Is it tiny?
This is one of the coolest things I've ever seen.
You're welcome, bud. Yeah, sure saved the day with this one, huh? I almost forgot about it. I read about it a few days ago. It's pretty cool watching a rocket go into space, huh? And to the post on Facebook. What was that in the sky? Man, that thing's going forever. See what that's in? You might have to go to the patio pretty soon.
I think the rocket tip is falling.
Nope, it's going straight farther away now.
It kind of looks like it's falling
And
down.
it's kind of going around the orbit of the Earth. Landon, look at it. Now it's falling.
I can't
Me either.
Let me see you on the ground.
see. Oh, no.
No, I'm holding you. Look at it now.
Where did
No, I'm
it
nervous.
go?
I got you 100%.
You're okay, Landon.
I can see, okay, let me down.
Go on to the patio. Go, run. All right.
Okay, guys, so that's about it. So, good. Bye. Also, like this video if you want to see a part 2 of the house tour, but Halloween decorated.